Hey, let's talk about colors.
All right.
What is blue?
The ocean is blue. The sky is blue. During the day, the sky is blue. And my eyes are blue.
Oh, mine too. What is red?
Red, let's see. Well, tomatoes are red. Strawberries are red. And
And roses are red.
roses are red. That's right.
Yeah. What is green?
Well, lots of vegetables are green. Lettuce is green. Cabbage is green or purple. And asparagus is green.
Asparagus, right. Also, grass is green.
That's right. Grass is green.
What is yellow?
Well, lemons are yellow. The sun is yellow, sometimes, or orange.
Or red?
What else is yellow?
Sunflowers are yellow.
Sunflowers are yellow. That's nice.
What is orange?
Also, sometimes the sun is orange. Oranges are orange.
Of course.
And persimmons are orange.
Yes.
Oh, I know.
What?
Carrots.
Carrots.
Carrots are orange.
Of course, carrots are orange. What is black?
Sometimes dirt is black. The night sky is black.
Right, and your shirt is black.
Yes, I like my black shirt.
What is white?
Vanilla ice cream is white. The snow is white.
Yes, and clouds are white.
Clouds are white. And sometimes clouds are black.
Yes, when it's going to rain.
Or gray.
Right. What is pink?
Some flowers are pink. Cotton candy is pink.
Yes.
And sometimes lollipops are pink.
Yeah, a lot of candy is pink sometimes.
Now, sometimes women's clothing is pink.
Or men's.
Or men's. Do you like pink shirts?
I don't usually wear pink shirts. What about you?
I don't like pink shirts. I don't like pink, actually.
Oh, that's too bad.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is orange.
Really? Orange?
Yeah, I love orange. It's so bright. What about you?
I have 3. I like the same, I know. I like green. I love green. I love blue. I love purple.
You like the cool colors.
Right. I don't like orange. I don't like yellow. And I don't like pink.
You don't like the warm colors.
Yes. Bright colors, not so much.
I see.
What about red? Do you like red?
I don't especially like red. I like red poppies, a type of flower,
All right, yeah.
but I don't like to wear red.
Yeah, me too. Do you dislike any colors?
Actually, I don't like brown. I think it's a boring color.
Yeah, that's true. But often dogs are brown, and I love dogs.
I also like dogs, so a brown dog is okay. But a brown shirt? No thank you.